In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to spawn King Slime in Arcane Lineage. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The King Slime is a mutated slime born with immense power compared to that of the lowly slimes. It rules over them and appears to punish those who kill its kin. So in this video, I'm gonna give you an overview of all the steps that you have to take and how to fight the King Slime. So, the King Slime is a mini-boss that appears in the crossing. It appears as a large blue slime and wears a crown, as the name implies. So, there are two ways to summon the King Slimes. So first, the server must have killed 150 slimes shared by all players. So if you are not sure how many slimes have been killed, you can take a look at the server time or the server age. If it is an old server that has been running for a while, it is very likely that 150 slimes have been killed by all players. Next, one player must offer 150 slime chunks to the King Slime statue located in the Slayer Training Cave. So go over to the King Slime statue by the Slayer Training Cave and offer 150 slime chunks. Because you have to get so many slime chunks, you can probably just kill the 150 slimes yourself as well. Next, the last requirement is that at least 30 minutes have passed in server time after the death of the previous King Slime spawn. When all of these requirements are met, the message, "The forest rumbles, the King of Slimes is furious," will appear in chat, indicating that the King of Slimes is summoned, and you can go ahead and fight him. Now, it is going to have these 4 attacks: Slime Creation, Scalding Spray, Crush, and Poison Eruption. You will be able to damage it best with Fire and Nature damage. Physical only deals 90% of damage, and Magic and Poison are not effective. They only deal 70% of their original damage. You will be able to get the Gillette Ring and the Slime Buckler from killing the King Slime. I hope I was able to help you on how to spawn King Slime in Arcane Lineage. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching!